Good afternoon. Today we are going to our chapter 12 Pollution Part 1. And the first topic is what is pollution and pollutants. And first one is what is pollution? The process of damaging the air, water or land with chemicals is called pollution. Okay, what is pollution? The process of damaging the air, water or land with chemicals is called pollutions. And next one is what is pollutants? The substances that spoil air, water or land and make it unsafe for use are called pollutants. Okay, what is pollutants? The substances that spoil air, water or land and make it unsafe for use are called pollutants. And next one is consumer durables. The consumer durables such as washing machine, microwaves, air conditioners, refrigerators, television sets and mobile phone. And they making our lives more comfortable. But they have contributed to environmental pollution. There are four main types of pollution. They are air pollution, water pollution, land pollution and noise pollution. And first we will discuss about air pollution. Air pollution caused by gases and fumes that come out from factories, vehicles and burning of wood or garbage. And next one is effects. Breathing in polluted air causes diseases such as asthma, cancer, respiratory diseases and throat inflammation. And next is global warming. Global warming means is the increasing the atmospheric temperature. Okay, what is global warming? Increasing the atmospheric temperature. And next one is smoke. The smoke means the smokes from factories and vehicles combine with fog to form a dangerous air is called smoke. Okay, what is smoke? The smoke from factories and vehicles combine with fog to form a dangerous air pollutant is called smoke. And next one is water pollution. The causes of water pollutions are oil spills, waste from factories and hospitals, pesticides used on plants which enter groundwater, daily activities such as washing clothes and utensils in water bodies. And next one is effects. Drinking polluted water can cause jaundice, cholera and skin problems. And plastic waste thrown into water bodies harms aquatic animals. They mistake it for food, eat it and die. I hope you got a clear idea about this topic. Thank you.